What's up, guys? So today I want to do a quick unboxing of this new Model X9 100 watt intelligent digital wireless charging multifunction fast charger PDB smart battery. Blah, 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 blah. So the main reason I got it is because I had this guy here, which I use to charge the GoPro that this is being recorded on. Many of my GoPros, my drone, they require this 2.4 amp charge. And so I had this sitting on the desk over here. I've got a different one sitting there now that plugs right into the wall. I don't really like that one. And this one was AC powered too, but I had that long story. Anyway, I blew this one up. I ran an LED photo light off of it, and it made a big bang and a flash, and yeah, it's no good. The only reason I have it is to talk about it here today. Now it's going in the garbage. But today we're going to open up this Model X9, and it's got the, I like how it looked. It's got a 7 USB, and there's a USB-C on it. So let's just get it opened up. I'm gonna open it up here. I'm kind of behind the camera, and I don't have enough room on my desk to really do this in front of the camera too much. So there's one box in there. Here's another box. So it comes with two boxes. Now we can do this in front of the camera. We'll open this one up. This is going to be our wall plug. Like I said, these are all AC powered. This is going to be the actual charger. We'll get rid of that box. Wow, it feels a little instruction manual, as you can see. It actually feels hefty. It's smaller than I bumped the camera, sorry guys. It's smaller than I thought, but I expected this because there's very few reviews of this thing on YouTube, but from the reviews that I read, they all said it was smaller than they expected. So like I said, on this one, you've got your QC 3.0-8, or -8, that's the 8th port, and you've got 8 ports total. You got your Type-C right there, and then all your regular USB down here. You've got all your fancy schmancy stuff over there. And now I'm going to take a minute to get this plugged in, and we'll take a gander at what it looks like plugged in when it's all lit up. And I don't know 100% how it works, but we're going to find out right now. All right, and we are back. We're going to think of all the complaints we can possibly think of for this thing right now today. So let's just get it plugged in and see what happens. All right. Oh, a little fast charging base lit up there. I'm not sure if it's going to do anything else. Let's just put here. Let's try the... Oh, look at that. So now it's charging at 5.5 watts. You got the battery. I'm not sure what it's showing me with the battery. It looks like it's showing me my phone has a full battery. Oh, 10 watts. Look at that. But my phone does not have a full battery. Actually, my phone battery is at 61%. So that's a little odd. I wish oh, you know what? The GoPro batteries are not fully charged. So let's put the GoPro batteries down there. We're just going to plug them into number 7 here and see what we see. Okay, so it shows us there that we're plugged into number 7. It's showing we're 5.2 volts at 1.8 amp. And the lights on the charger lit up, so I'm guessing it's charging them. I mean, it looks like it is. I've got my 10 amp solar powered battery right there. Got the cameras way too close to this thing. We'll plug that guy in and see what happens. Okay, so our amperage dropped to 0.6. Oh, now it's going back up. That's cool. Okay, so it's adjusting. And you see the little 6 lit up down there. So it's charging both of them. Now, here's the real test. This is the LED that blew up the other charger that I had. So we're going to plug that guy in. Just try to get these away from the screen so you guys can see. And what happens when we turn it on? It's now on. So the number 1 lit up. We're still at 5.2 volts, half amp. Oh, 1.7, okay. 2.5. See how high it's going to go here. A 0.5. So I know the amperage is moving all over the place, but the LED is not dimming at all for any reason. So it looks like it's going to work. So now what I need to do is I need to just beat the living tar out of this thing until I find out if it's going to be a good fit. Unplug everything, and it's all it has is a fast charging base lit up there. So this little guy is going to live right back here where the old white one was, and I'm definitely going to be reporting back on my findings after some pretty heavy significant use. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about this, what was it? It was a Model X9. I already forgot. I'll be doing another one. Subscribe so you can keep up on it. I will put a link in the description if this is something that you guys are interested in. So thanks a million, everybody, and we'll see you next time.